Dubai tak mau keluar. Tak mau Dubai. Dubai, no, no, no. No, Dubai. No, no. This is nicely done. Alamak. The only downside is there is no ring. The ring you have to put it yourself. Okay, that's the bracket. That's the bracket. It sits quite nicely, but you have to adjust a little bit because this thing is moving. It doesn't really stay. If the Allen key is being fixed, then it will stick, but then again I won't be able to close, so I just leave it as it is. There's another seller that is selling for $10 more, and I think it's the same item. I was quite lucky to find this seller selling at this price, $39. Dubai, come in. So you can see, and I'm able to close it nicely. It's pretty easy to fix. You just use the Allen key. Okay guys, I hope this video helped you guys to decide if this lock is worth to purchase. There's no spring, so you have to pull it up, and you can't close. It won't. The key won't budge until you lock it. Yeah.